Okay, so we are officially on week 3, which means we're on module 3. And just a reminder, always go to objectives and due dates to begin with. This is where I'll be putting the video in later. So we're going to have a discussion, and I'll go over the discussion with you so you can understand it a little bit better this week. You're going to have some exercises and then another short paper assignment. And this short paper assignment is based on a TED Talk. So let's go over that real fast. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is watching this TED Talk by a philosopher, Cohen, and then I have some questions down here, and you're just going to answer those questions in a short paper. Pretty straightforward. Now the discussion this week is a little bit more involved. So what you're going to do is you're going to be following this link to the USA Today opinion page. You're going to give me the link to the article and give it to your classmates. And you're going to identify the premises and the conclusion of the argument and make certain that it's an actual article with an argument. Sometimes they take tweets and they take posts from Facebook and stick in there. Ignore those types of so-called arguments. I think we all know you don't actually get good arguments in a Twitter format. And make certain that you list all the premises. Okay, very few of these articles have just one premise, so make certain you're listing them all. And based on what you've learned so far, do you think this is a strong argument? Is it a weak argument? Do you agree with the argument, or do you disagree with the argument? And again, as I've said in the past, I put you guys into smaller groups. Yours won't look like this, obviously. But what's going to happen is the first one you'll see is my example that I'm providing to you. And you can see in the article I chose, I found 6 premises and the conclusion. And then I do a little analysis of the argument. And then I have my source as well. So this is officially what I'm looking for from all of you as well. And as I said, this is going to be a little bit more involved. And then when you're replying to other students, you will have to go and read the USA Today article they have chosen so you can actually be informed when you're talking about it. And just a second, we gotta keep going here. And this week we will not be having a quiz, so once you finish your exercises, the answers will open for you again. And then in Module 4, we're going to finish up this section, and then that's when we'll do the quiz. Okay, so if you have any questions, please email me. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, you guys are all doing a great job. I really enjoying your discussions. You guys are being supportive of everyone else. If you notice that someone's not being polite in the discussions and I've missed it, please email me and let me know. Otherwise, I think things are going great. Have a good week, guys.